that resemble geological features known as lava tubes, or subsurface collapse chambers. On Earth, these structures form when underground lava tunnels empty out and the surface above them collapses. Scientists are especially interested in these formations because underground caves could protect water ice from evaporation and radiation. That matters because modern Mars is extremely hostile. Surface temperatures can fall below 100 degrees Celsius, and the atmosphere is so thin that liquid water cannot remain stable for long on the surface. But underground is a different story. Radar observations from orbit already suggest that parts of Mars may still contain buried ice deposits and possibly even underground reservoirs of salty liquid water. Now, the drone imagery may be helping scientists identify locations where underground structures are exposed near the surface. Some rock formations photographed by Ingenuity also show layering patterns that strongly resemble sedimentary rocks formed in water-rich environments on Earth. These layers appear stacked in thin horizontal sequences, suggesting that water may have carried and deposited material over long periods of time. In several locations, scientists observed smooth, rounded rocks mixed among sharper, fractured terrain. On Earth, rocks often become rounded after being transported by flowing water for long distances. That does not prove Mars once had rivers everywhere, but it adds to growing evidence that large amounts of water shaped parts of the planet billions of years ago. The drone also captured images of fractured cliff sections and broken terrain that appear to have partially collapsed. In some cases, it almost looks as if pieces of the Martian surface broke away entirely. Researchers believe many of these fractures were likely caused by ancient volcanic activity, impacts, or the slow expansion and contraction of underground ice. As ice forms and melts beneath the surface over millions of years, the ground above it can weaken and collapse. This creates pits, cracks, and hollow spaces that are now visible from the air. Some scientists think these underground cavities could become extremely important for future human missions. Lava tubes and subsurface caves may provide natural protection from radiation, dust storms, and extreme temperature swings. In other words, the same strange holes that sparked speculation online could eventually become shelters for astronauts. At the same time, these discoveries are helping scientists better understand how active Mars once was.